Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a BMW X3. First, find a large, empty, and safe space, like a deserted parking lot or a track. Make sure your vehicle is in top mechanical shape, especially the tires and brakes. It's crucial to disable all electronic aids, such as traction control and stability control, to allow the wheels to spin freely. For the best experience, a rear-wheel drive X3 is ideal, though some all-wheel drive models can be adapted. To begin, approach your chosen turn at a moderate speed, perhaps around 30 miles per hour. As you enter the corner, turn the steering wheel sharply. Simultaneously, you can briefly pull the handbrake to momentarily lock the rear wheels, initiating a slide. Another method is to use a power oversteer. Apply significant throttle to overcome rear tire grip, especially effective in a powerful X3 model. This will cause the rear end to step out. Once the rear end begins to slide, you must react quickly by counter-steering. Turn the steering wheel in the opposite direction of the slide to maintain control. Use the throttle to manage the drift angle and speed. More throttle will widen the drift, less will tighten it. Keep your eyes focused on where you want the car to go, looking through the turn. This smooth interplay of steering and acceleration is key to a sustained, controlled drift. To exit the drift, gently ease off the throttle. As the rear wheels begin to regain traction, slowly unwind the countersteer, bringing the steering wheel back to a straight position. The goal is a smooth, controlled transition out of the slide, allowing the X3 to straighten up without abrupt movements. Practice these exits repeatedly to develop a fluid and safe technique. Remember, precision and gentle inputs are vital for a successful and stylish exit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.